Hello children. In the last video, at last, we were talking about the relation between acceleration due to gravity and the gravitational constants and their symbol small letter g and capital letter G. That relation is small g equal to gm upon r square. This is the relation between g and g. And from this relation, we can find out that the acceleration due to gravity depends on the factors. It depends on the mass of the planet. This relation was obtained by taking the object in the Earth atmosphere. So we can say this is the mass of Earth and this is radius of Earth. If we take the object to other planets, then mass of that particular planet, radius of that particular. So these are the two factors on which the acceleration due to gravity, that is, if we take this is the Earth surface, object is placed at this much of height. Due to the gravitational force, it is moving downward. While it is moving downward, the acceleration produced, that acceleration is known as acceleration due to gravity. That acceleration due to gravity depends on mass, radius, and also depends on other factors. It is also depending on height of the object. It also depends on height of the object from where it is dropped. Then rotation of the earth also depends on rotation of earth. These are the factors on which the acceleration due to gravity depends. If we take the object to other planet, then mass of that planet, radius of that planet. That means if we take the object to the moon, then the object, if we take this is the moon surface, if the same object is dropped from any particular height, then the acceleration due to gravity will be different than on the earth surface. For this we can find the relation that how many times the acceleration due to gravity on the earth surface is with the acceleration due to gravity of the object on the moon surface. For this, suppose we take this is the earth and moon. Now the things are given. Mass of the earth is 100 times the greater than. Mass of earth is 100 times approximately. These are the values. They are given. 100 times that of mass of moon. Radius of earth is 4 times the radius of moon. By using this relation, we can find that acceleration due to gravity on the moon surface compared to the earth surface. It is very simple. Just to take this relation for the earth surface and on the moon surface. That's all. ME and RE square. Let us take this is the first equation. For the second equation, acceleration due to gravity on the moon surface equal to this one, Rm square. Radius of moon, mass of the moon. That is equation number 2. Just by taking the ratio, either 1 by 2 or 2 by 1, anything. If we take 2 by 1, this is acceleration due to gravity on the moon to the acceleration due to gravity on the earth. Right? If we take the ratio, then it will come that m upon me into Re square upon Rm square. Then putting the value, these values, for mass of earth, if you put the value, this is 100 times the mass of moon. Then radius of earth, 4 times the radius of moon. For this we have the square, that is 16 radius of the moon square. Radius of moon square upon radius of moon square. On cancelling them, we have 16 upon 100. So the acceleration due to gravity on the moon to the acceleration due to gravity on the earth equal to 16 upon 100, and it comes approximately, it is equal to 1 by 6. Approximately, not exactly. It will be some decimal. We take thus just the whole number. So Gm is equal to 1 upon 6 Ge, means the acceleration due to gravity on the moon surface is 1/6 of acceleration due to gravity on the earth surface. On the earth surface, the average value of acceleration due to gravity, it was 9.8 meter per second square. On the moon, it is 1/6 of 9.8 moon. That means if an object is falling from a certain height over the earth surface, its acceleration is 9.8 meter per second square. If the same object is dropped over the moon surface, then it will be 1/6. It will be 1/6, approximately it is 1.6 meter per second square. So on that moon surface, the acceleration due to gravity is very less. So because of this small amount of acceleration due to gravity of any object, what happens? The moon is not able to trap all the gases released from its surface. That's why moon has no atmosphere. Because all the gases released from the moon surface are escaped out from its atmosphere, from its field. Therefore, it has no atmosphere around it because of less gravity, acceleration due to gravity. This is one relation. After this, we can calculate the value of G. I told this G equal to 9.8 meter per second square. If I put the value, that is, this was calculated, G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square on the earth surface. This was calculated from these data, that mass of earth, that is equal to G equal to G, that is 6.67 into 10 power minus 11. Mass of earth, this is 6 into 10 power 24 kg, that is the mass of earth. It will be given to you. Then radius of earth 6400 kilometer, that is equal to 6.4 into 10 power 6 whole square. If we calculate it, we get simply 9.8 meter per second square. That is the acceleration due to gravity on the earth's surface. And this is not exact value. This is not same at all the places on the earth's surface. It is different on every place on the earth's surface. Okay. Now, after this acceleration due to gravity,